Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the phone can handle a higher resolution. This prevents wasted effort on unsupported models. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone, because that unlocks DPI and display overrides. Make sure to back up your settings and important files so you can restore if something goes wrong. Now, navigate to developer options and keep settings open. These are the first actionable steps that let you safely change screen density and resolution values. You'll now change the actual pixel density. In developer options, locate smallest width and note the original DPI so you can revert. Lowering DPI increases apparent resolution. Alternatively, use a dB from a computer, a dB shell WM density DPI, or a dB shell WM size width x height. These commands apply system-wide and are precise, which is why many pros prefer them. If you opt for an app, choose one with clear reviews and permissions. Once set, observe how UI scales and check for clipped elements. Finish by applying the change and rebooting. A restart ensures all processes adopt the new resolution. Verify system UI, app layouts, and touch accuracy, and make small iterative adjustments rather than a large jump. If text or icons become unusable, reduce the DPI toward the original setting or change scaling options. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party app conflicts. This is the single most useful troubleshooting step for display anomalies. Keep backups so you can restore quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.